How to add payment method on GoDaddy. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can add payment method on GoDaddy. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to godaddy.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you see this kind of interface, navigate to the top right corner, click on your profile. Once you see this drop down, go to your account settings, so click on account settings. Once you're under your account settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, and here's an option as payment methods. Click on it. So once you're under this payment method, here it says your first payment method will be added upon subscribing to our product. So in order to manually add a payment method, first of all you need to subscribe to a product, then only you'll be able to add your other payment method. So go back to the shopping, subscribe one of the product, and during the checkout process you will be prompted to enter your payment method, enter your desired payment method. And once you have made a first purchase, now if you again go back to your account settings and go to your payment methods, there you will have an option to add other payment method. So in that way you can add payment method on godaddy.com. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.